it's a bunch of people misled that are misleading people because they don't know what they're talking about. And they don't even be doing it on purpose. They just be doing it because they don't know nothing. If you don't know nothing, how can you teach something? You teach it, you've been taught wrong, so you're gonna teach wrong. Everybody who's been taught wrong is going to teach wrong because they don't know no better and they're not trying to learn anything different. You never thought this person would hate on you like this. You never thought this person would be praying for you to fail. You never thought this person would be, oh, the Lord will take it all away. The Lord don't take nothing away. Worry the world. You ain't read that in the Bible. You ain't read that in the Lord give it and the Lord take it away. Job said that. The Lord didn't say that. You know, you got your stuff all mixed up. People be thinking they know so much. They don't know nothing. And that's the most frustrating part about it. So you got to get rid of those people. That way you won't be frustrated. You can go ahead and do all the stuff you need to do with your business and grow your business the way it's supposed to be grown. So I always say, in order to grow, some things must get cut. I don't care if it's a relationship, and I don't care what it is. Things got to get cut. Situationships, whatever, business ships, some things just got to get cut if y'all not growing in the same direction. Now, I will keep people who are growing in the same path as me, or even just in the mindset, period. You know why I keep those people? Because sometimes when I'm thinking about when I done did this mess, lowered my prices and all that, my friend did not agree with that. You know what I mean? Like, you need to raise your prices.